What's up guys, Thomas from FT Speed, and it is time for new products of February. First new product we have is a carbon fiber duckbill, and before you let out a sigh and be like, oh my god, not another one, this one is different, it's better, I'll have you guys ask which duckbills cover the factory holes for the factory spoilers, and this one does. So that's pretty cool. Took us forever to get one, but this is made by FRS, which means it's functional because they have very smart engineering brains, so it does not increase drag significantly at speed, and it does increase downforce to the rear. If you want to get wild, you can pair this with their rear wing if you want to get crazy with the downforce. The look's not for everybody, but it would be functional. Next up, we have some new external wastegates from TurboSmart. Now, these are only going to be applicable if you have a turbocharged car and a turbocharged car with an external wastegate system. A lot of turbos are internal wastegated, so that wouldn't work on there. How a wastegate works is, I'll show you on our old turbo setup. This is the old turbo from our time in that car, since it does use an external wastegate. Wastegates divert all the extra exhaust gases that don't need to spin the turbo to make your boost pressure. Basically, so this controls your turbo from making so much boost that your engine explodes or the turbo explodes. So this is where all the gases come out from the exhaust. This is where all the wastegate exhausts come out, all the stuff that's bleeded off that you don't need. Now the cool thing about the new one from TurboSmart is that it's electronically controlled, while this old one uses springs. So let me put this down. So with these traditional wastegates, you have to go in there, you have to take a spring out, put a new spring in if you want to change boost pressure, if you want to go up or want to go down. But with this new one from TurboSmart, it's electronically controlled, so from inside the car with your laptop, you can just make it go up, make it go down. It's the same kind of thing that is in the new Supra. Those are electronically controlled wastegates. So you could have a boost setting for a valet driver, a noob friend that wants to take your car out for a drive. You could have a full boost for you, and then you could also have like a street version that like kind of limits power so you don't get too crazy. New from Olm, we got 3 new products from them. First one is this carbon fiber side skirt. This is the CSV2 style carbon fiber side skirt that I have installed on the BRZ right now. We also have the LE dry carbon fiber flappy paddle jacket covers for your automatic shifters. And then we also have a dry carbon fiber bumper protector for the rear bumper, so it protects any scratches from your paint when you're loading and unloading stuff out of your trunk. New seats from Braum. They're the Aru seats. Oof, don't know if I pronounced that right, but they are kind of a luxurious, kind of sporty looking seat. They're recliners. They're available in a white or a red color. They use a lightweight steel tubular frame. They weigh in at 25 pounds per seat without brackets. They're only sold in pairs, and they fit up to a 38-inch waist, so you can get fat but not too fat. Next up, we've got some new fuel pumps from Deechworks. They flow 440 liters per hour, so that's good enough for 1,000 horsepower on gas and 750 on E85, so it's probably enough to supply your build. They come in 2 different versions. There's a single speed and a dual speed. The dual speed, that one has a low duty cycle for like normal driving, and then a full duty cycle for higher loads. And then the single one's just a constant speed, like normal fuel pumps. And the last product for the FRS BRZ in 8.6 for this month, before we move on to the super stuff, is a PLM muffler delete axle back system. This is pretty simple, minimalist, affordable way to get a louder exhaust. It's made out of 2.5-inch outside diameter tubing, and it's just single-walled stainless steel exhaust. As simple as you can get. Now moving on to the new Supra parts. The first one is going to be the EIBACH springs that I installed on the Supra a while ago. We had the prototype that I installed, and now they're finally out with the production version. These lowering springs lower the front by 1.7 inches and the rear by 1.2 inches. 3D Max Powder has released their all-weather floor mat for the Supra, and FRS has a new heat shield that replaces the old kind of big, ugly one that's in the engine bay. They have a much better one that has high temperature Cerakote, and it's made out of stainless steel. Saves quite a bit of space in the engine bay, as well as their resonator, their intake resonator delete, that also saves a bunch of space in the engine bay. Kind of declutters it, makes it look nicer, and it gives you room specifically for an air oil separator. Coilovers Radiators has a all aluminum radiator for the Supra, so there's no plastic in it, and it's 80% thicker, so it's going to do much better job at cooling. Olm has their interior door kick guards for the interior door panel, prevents any scuffs from your shoe. It has kind of a carbon fiber weave pattern on it, and these just 3M apply to the inside of your door. AFE has come out with 3 new products for the Supra. We've got their Momentum Air intake system. We've got a Blade Runner intercooler piping for the hot side, and then we have their control sway bar kit. And to wrap things up, we have 3 new coilover systems for the Supra. First one's from Megan Racing. It is the Easy Street Style coilovers, and the other 2 are from Fortune Auto. They have their 500 and 510 series coilover available for the Supra now. All right, so if you made it to the end of the video, thank you. All the links are gonna be down in the descriptions like they always are. I have a giveaway for you. This is going to be our old style, since we can't sell it anymore, this is our old style single piece muffler delete axle back. This is gonna be for the 2013-2016 FRS BRZ, not the 2017 and newer. But yeah, this has never been touched. It's brand new. This is just before we changed styles to do the adjustable one, so it's 2-piece and the tips were adjustable as well. So we've made some new updates. So this is the original, and we're gonna be giving it to you. It is a stainless steel tip. I'm not gonna take this off because it'll be nice and packaged for when you win it. All you have to do is comment your order number in the comment section down below, and we'll pick a random winner the next new product. So new products of March will announce who gets this. So if you want an axle back, go ahead and put your order number from whatever order you've done most recently, and we'll choose a random winner. So that's all I got for you guys. See you in the next video. Coilovers available for the Supra. Well, first one is from, I forgot. Ow! Jesus, how does this go back?